Office u Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District hakajing snok tilang bat ka District Employment Exchange Ribhoi District ka bahap hapo ka scheme jongka Chief Minister's Youth Development kala Pynlong ya ka registration mela kam job fair na ka bentaki Samla jongka than Ribhoi District ya ka ni ka program la Pynlong hinde ka sngi ha District Library Nongpoh bat ya ka ni ka mela la pli perda da u Abilash Baranwal u bede u Deputy Commissioner jongka Ribhoi District ha ringkat bat ikong GM Nongkenri ibede i officer jongka District Employment Exchange. Haba ay jingkran u Baranwal ula kentu yaki Samla bakenlong ki bateri shitam kanang banyo yaka jingjob bat bakin penjana yala di hakinukam ki bakitre.
See, the world is up for the take for those who work hard enough to grab it. So, please take advantage. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing yourself up on this day. I hope that all of you return with jobs that you are looking for, that suit your skill set and that simultaneously matches your aspirations and will help you go further.
Regional Institute of Advanced